Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. So first, you have to understand that you have an odd root here. So this negative will come out. So this become negative negative 3 and cube root of 72. You can break down 72 to 9 and 8. 9 is 3 and 3. 8 is 4 and 2. 2 and 2. And the index is 3, so therefore there should be 3 in the group. So therefore, I'm going to have a 2 outside together with the negative and negative 3, which we know that will be a positive 3. So this will become now 6 because you multiply the 2 here by this 3 here. But the two threes, which is 9, will stay inside. Don't forget your index. There are 5 aces, but there should be 3 in a group. So I'm going to put an A outside, but this 2A will stay inside. There are 6 Bs. There are 2 groups of Bs, so I'm going to put here B squared. No B will be added here because everybody has been grouped. C2, there are 2 C's and there's no enough for you to make 3, so keep it outside, and that's the answer. Question number 2, multiply 4 by 3, that will give you 12. Since they have the same index, the index here is 2, index here is 2, you can multiply them. 18 times 2 is 36. P4 times P2 is P6. You add the exponent. Q7, Q3 is Q to the 10th power. We know 36 can be broken into 6 and 6. So you put the 6 together with the 12. So 12 times 6 there is equal to 72. P6, there are 6 P's, and you can form 3 groups of P squared, so P cubed. There are 10, so you can just divide it by 2, Q of 5. If you notice, everything is being used. Everybody have pairs. That means there should be no more radical or square root on this problem, and that's the answer. Area, you multiply the sides. So 5 plus square of 3 times 3 minus 2 square of 3. FOIL them. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times negative 2 square of 3 is negative 10 square of 3. Multiply this will be 3 square of 3. And multiply this will become negative 6. Why is it negative 6? Because square of 3 times square of 3 is 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Combine the like terms. 15 minus 6 is 9 minus 7 square of 3. And that's the answer. To find the perimeter, we're going to multiply 2 by 5 plus square of 3 because there are 2 of that, plus 2 of the base, 3 minus 2 square of 3, and then combine the like terms. That's how you find the perimeter. Distribute 10 plus 2 square of 3. Distribute 6 minus 4 square of 3. Combine the like terms. 10 plus 6 is 16. 2 square of 3 minus 4 square of 3 is negative 2 square of 3. And that's the answer. Number 5, simplify 5 minus 4 square of 2, 2 plus 3 square of 2. Get the conjugate. 2 minus 3 square of 2, 2 minus 3 square of 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times that is negative 15 square root of 2. Negative 8 square root of 2. Negative times negative is positive. 4 times 3 is 12. 12. Then square of 2 times square of 2 is 2. So the answer here is 24. The bottom one, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 square of 2 is negative 6 square of 2. This one here is positive 6 square of 2. And this one here is negative 9 because 3 times 3 is negative 9. Square of 2 times square of 2 is 2. So this would be 18. Like terms, this cancel out. That will give you the bottom to be 4 minus 18 is negative 14. These two here are like terms. So that will give you negative 23 square root of 2. 10 plus 24 is 34. You're not allowed to have a negative 14. So you need to flip the sign. This becomes 14 here. Flip, flip. So this becomes 23 square of 2 plus 34. And number 6 here, negative 4, 20w to the 1 half. You know the 1 half there can be written as square root of 20w. The index here is 2. This is 1. And there's a negative 4 here. You're going to distribute the 20. Break down the 20 to 10 and 2. 5 and 2. That's a pair of 2 there, right? Oh, there's a squared here. I forgot. There's a squared here. This is squared also. And there are two W's here. So therefore, a 2 will come out to join negative 4. A W will come out to join them. So it becomes now negative 8W square root of the ungroup one, which is 5. So I'll put a 5 here. And that's the answer. I hope you learned something. As always, kaboom.